right, guys. All right, guys. It's the afternoon. Yes, the next day. So what? I had stuff to do. I had work to do, guys. But anyway, I'm bringing you in because it's time to get these cabbage egg rolls on, baby. Oh, yeah. And I want to show you something, guys. These are my homegrown peppers. Alicia, what's so special about your homegrown peppers? Well, guys, I'm so glad you asked. Baby, look at that. Look how thin it is. It is so gorgeous. Let me show you how it actually looks in the inside. This is Felicity. She's new to the family. She's a sweet variety. Look at it. This is how you know you have a real good pepper. I'm going to show you another example, okay? But let me show you how I'm going to cut it. Like this. Strips. For our egg rolls, okay? Then it's possible. Like so. Julienne is what they call it, okay? Julienne cut. Because you do not want your egg rolls to explode. You want them to be small like this, okay? Let me show you the Q&L. We're not going to front. Everybody's a little different, but they're all like this. Nice, shiny, and clean looking. Okay? Baby, they're just so beautiful. Look at it. I want to show you guys something really quick. Let me stop this for a second, okay? I accidentally broke a pepper off my plant, okay? It's okay. This is going to be the example I want to show y'all. This is a pepper grown by me. Look how beautiful it is on the inside, guys. See how papery thin it is as well? Yes, I'm keeping my seeds. Look how beautiful they are. Why wouldn't I keep the seeds, baby? Well, let me show you this. This is important to me. I don't know if it is to you, but I like the fact that when you grow your peppers at home, look how thin it is. Okay? Now let me show you something else. This is a store-bought one that is starting to turn, that was in my refrigerator. Let me show you the difference, baby. Look how thick that wall is. Like, for real. Like, see how the width of it? Baby, ain't nothing like it. Homegrown, store-bought. There's something wrong with this one. I can't get what it is, but, we do what we gotta do sometimes, guys. Yes, we do. What is my favorite thing to say? When we know better, we do better, baby. Oh, yeah. Now, let me show you what the Big Bertha's looking like, because her is pretty, too. And yes, I'm keeping the seeds. I'm going to dry them out and store them. I mean, look how gorgeous they are. I'm not going to kid y'all. They super gorgeous, child. I ain't got to worry about getting no old seeds from somebody and they, that's been doing their thing. Like Amazon or something like that, These are seeds straight from my garden. Can't get it no better than that. Look at it. Okay? And we're going to do Julienne cut on these two. And no, I'm not going to mix my seeds up because I know where they are. Oh, yeah. Look at it, guys. It is so delicious. If you haven't started growing, what are you waiting on? Peace.